The Federal University Gusau wishes to inform the general public that online applications are hereby invited from suitable qualified candidates for admission into various postgraduate programs of the university for 2023-2024 academic session. Under Faculty of Education, the courses are M.Ed. Educational Management, M.Ed. Educational Psychology, M.Sc. Ed. Mathematics, M.Sc. Ed. Science Education, M.Ed. Guidance and Counseling, M.Ed. Research Measurement and Evaluation, M.Ed. Sociology of Education, PGDE, Ph.D. Research Measurement and Evaluation, Ph.D. Ed. Mathematics, Ph.D. Educational Management, Ph.D. Educational Psychology, Ph.D. Guidance and Counseling, Ph.D. Science Education, and Ph.D. Sociology of Education. Under Faculty of Humanities, the courses are MA Arabic, MA Islamic Studies, PhD Arabic, and PhD Islamic Studies. Faculty of Management and Social Sciences, the courses are MSc Business Administration, MSc Economics, MSc Political Science, MSc Public Administration, MSc Accounting and Finance, MSc Sociology, MBA Business Administration, Masters in International Politics and Diplomacy, Masters in Public Administration, PGD Accounting and Finance, PGD Business Administration, and PhD Sociology. Under Faculty of Science, the courses are MSc Biochemistry, MSc Chemistry, MSc Mathematics, MSc Microbiology, MSc Plant Science and Biotechnology, MSc Zoology, MSc Physics, PGD Biochemistry, PGD Biological Science, PGD Computer Science, PGD Microbiology, PhD Biochemistry, PhD Chemistry, PhD Physics, PhD Microbiology, PhD Mathematics, PhD Plant Science and Biotechnology, and PhD Zoology. Interested applicants should log into the university website pgs.fugus.edu.ng for details of admission requirements and application guidelines after the payment of non-refundable fee of 15,000 naira only. Sign, Management.